What's up you guys, Megan here. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the 10 steps that I take to deep clean my room. And if you can see behind me and the piles of clothes, it's a little messy in here. I have so much trash, dishes, clothes, just stuff everywhere. This week has been absolutely crazy, and so I finally have a moment to clean my room, and I figured I'd kind of take you guys along with me for this week's video. And essentially I'm not only going to be cleaning my room but also kind of organizing it a bit and deep cleaning, like actual cleaning. I thought y'all would enjoy this just because my last video all about closet organization did really well, so I hope that you guys love this video too. Give this video a thumbs up if you're procrastinating cleaning your room right now, because I'm pretty sure that's why you're watching this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe down below. It's free. Also, I upload every Sunday. And let's get right on into the video. So this is the before of my room. As you can see, it was super messy. And I have a ton of clothes all over the floor. I have a ton of dishes from when I was eating in my room, I guess, eating snacks, lots of coffee cups, just a bunch of outfits that didn't work, school stuff, so there was just stuff everywhere. Step one is kind of like prep stuff, so I love to put on a good playlist. This is my road trip one, and then I also open my blinds, and if it's a nice enough day, I will actually open my windows to get some fresh air. And then step two is to change your bedding. So I had actually recently changed my sheets and my duvet cover, but this is a great time, if you haven't in a while, to change out your sheets, wash them, put on a fresh pair, and also make sure that your duvet is nice and tied up on the inside. And then step three is to make your bed, and for my room at least, the bed is definitely the focal point. When my bed is made, it makes my room look 100 times more clean, so I like to go ahead and just tuck the front part of my bedding in, flip down the sheets and the duvet cover to kind of make it look good, and then I just fluff up my pillows. You know, I don't do that too often, and I just fold up my blankets to go underneath my bed, and I just throw in the throw pillows and just make it look pretty. Making sure that it's organized and I know where to find everything. And then for step 7, I just throw all of my trash, either my trash can or my floor, away. Step 8 is to actually go through and make sure all of my surfaces are clean. Just clean them off, make sure they are clutter free. Step 9 is to actually physically clean, so I'm just spraying my surfaces down with a little bit of glass cleaner and also my mirror. And then I'm also vacuuming my floor, which I think personally is so satisfying. I love vacuuming, some people hate it, but just the look of a vacuum floor is amazing. Step 10 might be a little extra for your taste, but for some finishing touches, I am just steaming my bedding. I don't do this often, but when I do, it just looks amazing. And I also sprayed some room freshener. And now for the after. I just think my room looks 1,000 times better when it's clean, which, I mean, that makes sense, but I personally feel like my mood is so dependent on the state of my room, and whenever my room is clean, I just feel like I have my life together and I feel like I can take on anything. So I highly suggest cleaning your room if you haven't in a while. I feel amazing. Alright you guys, that's it for the video today. I really hope that you enjoyed and got some inspiration to clean your room and kind of get your life together. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up or even subscribe down below. I make new videos once a week on Sundays, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Hold up. How deep can we go? 'Cause you're pulling me straight.